And like this quote, which I don't even know where I heard this or whatever, but it's like, you only know what you know. Like that quote allowed myself to give myself grace throughout the years of trying and failing forward and forward, because you only know what you know, right?
Yeah.
But going back to like, what would I tell them? I would tell them that if you continue to build enough momentum in the things that fill you up, if you walk around filled up every day doing what you love, there is no way that your energy is not contagious. There is no way that you don't develop a light that you can shine to help others. If you are walking in your purpose,
Yeah.
you are unstoppable. And the reason why I say this answer would be different than 5 years ago, because I don't like to proudly admit, like, bro, when I started, I was very successful, chose my family, had to get out of my last career, started the mortgage journey, broke, bro. I had no choice. I was literally in this, I don't like to admit this, I was staying up until 6 o'clock in the morning writing loans, bro. Sleeping for an hour, taking my kids to school, coming back, doing it all over again. And that is not the way.
Dude.
That is not the way. And you think it's the way because it's about survival. And if you're in survival for a little bit, cool. Figure out a way to be a beast in the survival, but get your ass out of it. Because if you are going towards something so hard, you start to lose sight of what's really important. And this is, DK, something I'll say until the day I die, bro. But what I do, which I'm really passionate about, and I'm so grateful that it's going good and that we're really successful in, but what I do will be the fourth coolest thing that I have going on for the rest of my life. It will be the fourth coolest thing I got going on for the rest of my life. Because the first coolest thing has got to be my health. Because if I'm not waking up, if I'm not showing up for myself, the second coolest thing has got to be my spouse, bro. It's got to be Carol. And it's got to be my boys seeing that I love their mom and how to try to take care of somebody that you love. The third coolest thing is always going to be my kids. Always. Because if I'm healthy and I'm in a good relationship with their mother, I can be the father that I want to be to them. And that is my totem pole. And then the fourth coolest thing is this journey, right?
Yeah.
So that is why advice will change. It will change because you change.
Dude, I'm in the same boat. Like getting started, like I was pushing 100 miles an hour. Not that I still don't, and I still have to remind myself sometimes. Like, dude, you got to focus on your health. Like you got to take care of yourself before you can take care of someone else.
Amen, bro.
And I don't know who, I've heard that from someone else. I don't know who it was, but it's so true. Like I remember when I was getting started, dude, I was living with Skeen. And when I first started my real estate business, I was living with him and I was so grateful. He was making a ton of money. I couldn't pay for rent for the first like 6 or 7 months of the business. Like he was just eating it. And I just told him like, I'm going to get you back. Like I'll pay you back. That's how I got started. Like I had to lean on other people to get there. So,
well, sometimes you just got to scrape your way out, bro.